WordPress is like, one of the popular website builders that has always been around. The first website builder that I knew was WordPress before other website, builders, and it is famous for having this nice templates and all that, you know. And I know a lot of companies, like big companies that are bringing million dollars publication companies, they are using WordPress. And I myself, I was using WordPress, and even now I can use it whenever if I want, but I don't use it anymore. Not because it's bad or whatever, but it's because there is a better tool that is called website inside. Look, I'm looking at WordPress, pricing here by a monthly, $4 a month, $8 a month premium. But I'm looking at this one here because the platform that I'm talking about is way better than even their last, plan, which is 45 when you pay annually. Let's just say you have to pay from month to month. It's gonna be like $59, and this is what you get. You don't even get a free domain. You're gonna be paying this a month. This is where you can link in e-commerce and whatsoever. I'm not gonna go into all these details, but imagine if you were able to get all of this inside WordPress without actually paying this amount on WordPress. I know it does not make sense, but stay with me. I'm gonna show you just a platform that is gonna help you get all of this here without paying WordPress anything. Because here's the thing, I know there are other companies that need WordPress. WordPress is user friendly, that is given, that is guaranteed. It's one of the things. WordPress is the most basic website builder that anyone can use without having any experience. You can literally build a website within 15 minutes with WordPress. And other companies I know, when they take other marketing tools or other tools, they don't want to ditch WordPress, and now they have to use that other tool and still have WordPress. So they move from one platform to another and end up having all these multiple tools. At the end of the day, a business to run, they have to check on about from 5 to 7 tools that they need to run their business. But what if I told you that there is the platform where you can use WordPress within it? You won't need to ditch WordPress. What you're going to do, just gonna stop paying WordPress. That's it. That's what you're gonna be saving. You're gonna stop paying WordPress, but you're still hosting your website from WordPress. I know it still doesn't make sense, but then I'm gonna show you proof, and I'm just gonna refresh here just to show you that this is not a screenshot, and I'm just gonna to the platform. Right, this is the robust platform. This is the reason why I left a lot of platforms, and now I'm using this one platform that has got over 40 marketing tools, including WordPress integration. Right now I'm not paying WordPress, but let me show you what I did last night. I've connected my domain, and right now it doesn't matter whether you take an e-commerce package with WordPress, you still connect one domain. Now with WordPress integration inside the builder role, you can connect more than one website, more than one domain. You see, you can connect another. This is crazy. This platform, wow. So you can add another domain, and I'm not even paying WordPress. I just took a builder role. This is the platform, and if you want to get access to this platform, visit the link that you see on the screenshot, or use the link in my description, so you can get access to this robust beast platform that every business needs. Whether you are a business or an individual, if you are serious about building a business or building a side hustle, this is the tool that you need. You won't have to pay platforms like WordPress and other marketing platforms, because everything you find it on Builder. Now look at this. I'm not even paying WordPress, but yesterday night I connected my domain here. If you can see here, open admin. You can see open admin. You see here WordPress. See, so right now I've listed my domain for sale. That's why it's not taking me there, but then it's gonna take you to the WordPress domain. I mean the WordPress dashboard. Like literally, it takes you there with added features that you can see here. You can see here without even paying WordPress. I mean, I was shocked to see this. I thought maybe I had to pay WordPress, for me to complete this integration. But then you don't have to pay WordPress anything, but you can still use their templates to build your website using Builderall. Builderall already has got the integration. All you need to do is sign up. They have a free account, they have a free trial, they have a final club. The final club is the last number package, which is robust. That's the where I'm at right now. But then they just have a lot, and I'm not gonna go into all their tools because it's just crazy. I was shocked yesterday to see that you can connect more than one domain without having to pay WordPress a single cent. All of this you find from Builderall. If you want to connect 5 domains using WordPress without paying WordPress a single cent, you need a tool like Builderall. I don't know any other tool out there. This is the first time I see something like this. So as you can see here already, I've connected my domain here, and I can connect another one. You see, it says your domain, enter domain, your site name, the template, so password. You see WordPress admin user. You can add more than one domain. How cool is that? How cool is that? A lot of people, they've been trying to find a tool or a website builder where they can add more than one domain without taking multiple packages for each domain. This is the platform that you need if you wanna add more than 10 domains from just one website builder or even from WordPress. I see this as a shortcut. I don't know what you see this. This is brilliant, and you wanna check it out if you wanna use WordPress. This is literally using WordPress for free with Builderall and adding more than one domain. And at the end of the day, Builderall has got everything. What WordPress got here, their e-commerce package does not even account to 20% of what Builderall has to offer. But then I'm not comparing on this video because WordPress is not even Builderall competitor. It's like an insult to Builderall. Otherwise, that's the video of today, guys. I will see you on the next video. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. If this is your first time on our YouTube video, make sure that you subscribe so that you stay informed and you're first person to hear about new content that we release on our YouTube channel. Keep safe, I love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.